granola, as well as dried cranberries that are orange flavored. Also, if you know how orange flavored dried cranberries, then comment down below because we really don't know how they make them. Do you want raisins or dates in your yogurt parfait? No? So we will not be using those. Then, out of the fridge, you are going to need yogurt. This is original whole milk yogurt and plain flavored. Then we're gonna use some blueberries, some strawberries.
That didn't happen.
No! We are just going to use some blueberries and strawberries. And a
Very good parfait.
It'll be a very good parfait. So. Really good. And then this way you have, instead of putting like this much yogurt and then putting all this stuff, if you layer it, you can get a little bit of everything. So, the parfait method.